Nerds, assemble! The crash card killer that fits in your pocket. StarTech's rugged KVM savior. Say goodbye to your dinosaur crash card and hello to the StarTech.com rugged laptop crash card adapter, the compact, rugged, superhero gadget that transforms your laptop into a full-blown KVM console. It's not just for servers. Plug it into ATMs, kiosks, even prehistoric PCs and gain instant BIOS-level control through a simple VGA or USB hookup. Compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, it's your portable digital scalpel for all things headless. Plus, it transfers files, captures video, grabs screenshots, and scales displays with 0 scroll bars. This little beast turns any laptop into a server room command center in seconds, no cap. Why is this bad boy better than the rest? 2 words. Rugged housing. Wrapped in rubberized armor, this adapter is designed to eat accidental drops for breakfast. Built-in cables with strain relief mean less wear, fewer breaks, and 0 missing accessories in crunch time. Unlike others, this adapter powers itself straight from the server-side USB, no bulky power bricks, no wall outlets, no drama. It's the minimalist, efficient tool your cable-stuffed backpack deserves. Just plug, play, and control like a boss. While others fumble with adapters and scroll bars, you're already rebooting the BIOS with style. Time is money, and this gadget is a digital piggy bank. Forget hauling heavy crash carts or wrestling with random dongles. This palm-sized KVM Ninja saves your back, your sanity, and your time. Just toss it in your laptop bag and go. You'll be troubleshooting machines faster than you can say kernel panic. And yes, it transfers files between systems like a dream, captures video for documentation or training, and supports full-screen display without glitchy software weirdness. Fewer cables, faster connections, less downtime. It's not just helpful, it's mission critical. When it comes to value, this adapter is a total tech steal. Built for IT professionals, sysadmins, and tech support ninjas, it delivers industrial-grade performance at a budget-friendly price. It doesn't care if your server's old-school VGA or bleeding-edge Linux, it just works. No server-side software required. Compatible with Windows 10 Plus, Linux, and Mac, it offers plug-and-play convenience with pro-grade features. Video capture? Yes. File transfer? Yup. Screenshot sniping? Absolutely. If you've ever fought a server that refused to boot or blinked at a blank screen, this device is the no-nonsense fix you need. The StarTech Rugged Crash Card Adapter is a game-changer for IT warriors tired of clunky solutions. It's durable, compact, ultra-portable, and ready for the dirtiest, darkest corners of the server room. Whether you're deep in a data center or remote troubleshooting in a sketchy kiosk, this adapter has your back. With unmatched portability, seamless cross-platform support, and essential features baked in, it's the ultimate utility tool every traveling tech needs. You don't just want this, your job might actually depend on it. IT legends are born with gear like this. Ready to join them?